And so today in this video I'm gonna be doing a withdrawal on Neswap. As you guys know, I made a video recently on my YouTube channel for a platform called Neswap, where I basically use arbitrage to make money in cryptocurrency, or in the case of my video I used USDT. And you can see the video right here, how to make money with Neswap arbitrage platform. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you guys should go and watch the video right now. So today in this video, what I'm going to be doing is a withdrawal. If you've watched the video, you're going to see around the end of the video, I'm just going to be opening the video right now. So I'm just going to be scrolling down to around the end. I did an auto trade on the platform. And then after I ran the auto trade on the platform, you can see right here, I used 30 USDT to run the auto trade on the platform, and I did the trade for 10 days. You can see this right here. I ran the trade for 10 days. I'm just going to be playing that right now. So you guys can see this is it, the 30 USDT. And you can see I ran the trade for 10 days. You can see that right here. That's the beginner plan. And then I created my order, and I've been waiting for 10 days right now. And now I have gotten my return on the platform. You can see this is 30 USDT. So I'm going to be logging into Neswap right now. So you can see my return was 35 USDT after 10 days. So you can see I made 5 USDT on the platform within just that very small space. So I'm going to be logging into my account right now. I'm just going to sign in. I'm going to be using an authenticator. Okay. Then I'm just going to confirm that, and we are logged into my account, and you can see right here I have 35 USDT. You can see in the video right there, I used 30 USDT to run the trade, and now I have 35 USDT. You can see when I go to my trading and then I go to my auto mode, you can see that I ran a trade here for 10 days. I'm just going to scroll down. You can see right there, this is 30 USDT that I used to run the trade, and I ran the trade for 10 days, and now I've received my return of 35 USDT. So just to show that the platform is a very legit platform, I'm going to be withdrawing right now. So all I have to do, I'm going to go to my wallet right now, and again you can see right here 35.4 USDT, and I'm just going to click on withdraw, and I'm going to input my USDT address. I'm going to put that here. So I'm just going to be going to where I saved my address, save that on notes, and then I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to input that into the address box right here, and then I'm going to put that as 35.4 USDT, and then you're going to enter a Google verification code. So I'm just going to be putting that right now, 6627, and then I'm going to click on withdraw. So you can see withdraw cash successfully. So now I'm going to be logging in my crypto account. I'm going to be logging in my crypto dashboard on my laptop right now, so that you guys can see that I have successfully received this into my crypto wallet. So I'm just gonna log in on my APR mirror right now. I'm going to show my phone on my laptop screen. So I'm just going to click on wireless connection, and then I'm just going to connect that. And I can see right now I'm mirroring my phone on my laptop. You can see this is my device right now. You can see that right there. So I'm just going to click on bundle. This is the crypto platform that I use. I'm going to put a link in the description for you guys to sign up to bundle if you don't have a crypto account. So I'm just going to click on bundle again. I'm going to click on login, and then I'm going to log into my account. And you can see this is my account right now, and I'm just going to refresh that a little bit. So guys, you can see my dashboard right now, and you can see there's the 33.37 USD, and I have 9.85 USDT right here. So now I'm just going to refresh my dashboard. I can see right there, and I have 68.26 USDT. You can see my notification right here. You can see your deposit was successful on bundle, and then you can see my USDT. I'm just going to be clicking that right now. You can see that, and you can see that my transaction came through. You can see the 34.869 USDT that I just deposited in my wallet, and I've been credited successfully, and I can now convert these to cash. So that gives you an insight that this website is very, very legit, and you guys can just use this to use arbitrage to make money on the Neswap platform. So that's all for this video, guys, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.